I am the punishment of God.
This is Rudy Baylor. He's the best in our class.
Yes, come on.
You're bold enough to come late to your first meeting.
Fired on your first day.
Okay.
Every reputable firm in town, okay? Nobody's hiring.
How about a not-so-reputable one?
Jocelyn Stone, bruiser to my friends.
I need a client. You need a lawyer. There's a genuine dispute as to how Donnie Ray died.
That hospital, North City, they killed him.
There is a cover-up here.
We do not surrender at this firm.
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
What are you willing to do to be a Rainmaker?